What's a service that I think every t-shirt owner should have? I'm gonna let you know right now. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, tshirthelpdesk.com. First of all, I want to say happy holidays to everybody who's listening. And in this t-shirt game, right, there's a lot of things that once you get into it, you probably didn't even think about. And there's a lot of extra costs that you're gonna have that you're like, wow, I didn't know there was so much stuff involved, because usually we think of a design and selling it. However, when you get out here, there's things like websites, there's things like social media, there's things like hiring models, doing photo shoots, t-shirt designs, and all of these things, unless you are Superman and you can do everything, there's gonna come a time when you're gonna have to hire out. But what if I told you there was a service that took care of all these things, that took care of finding models for you, that took care of your photo shoots, that took care of your templates, that took care of your Instagram posts, or at least the visuals of your Instagram posts? What if I told you that there was a place where you can get all of that, including some designs, all right, and you can customize your designs? What if I told you there was a service that did all of that? And what if I told you that you can get it for damn near half off? So guys, check this out. All right, guys, if you have a t-shirt business, you need this service. All right, I mean, I'm just keeping it 100 with you because it just makes everything better, everything easier, and it saves you so much time, okay? It's called placeit.net. It's gonna be a link down in the description box, and I'm gonna give you a special deal before this is all over, all right? So what is it? I mean, what is it not? I mean, okay, first of all, you can go in and you can make mock-ups, all right? So if anything, if you ever want to have stuff on your website, have stuff on your social media, like you don't need to hire a photographer, you don't need to get models, everything is pretty much in a box done for you. And the great thing about it is that if you want older people, younger people, if you want a specific gender, if you want people to be a certain ethnicity, you can see Asian model, black model, Hispanic model, Indian model, white model. I mean, it just goes on and on. I mean, different lifestyles, LGBT. I mean, it's crazy. And also, like, guys, you can do videos, right? You can do videos, okay? With the same mock-ups, you can add stuff to, I mean, it's just crazy. Oh, if you want an Instagram post, they have Instagram posts. All right. If you want story templates for Instagram, it's done. And check out these story templates. They have story templates already made for clothing companies, man. I mean, there's bananas up over here, up in here, up in here. All right. And guess what? This is really cool. Check this out. Cyber Monday is 40% off. 40% off. You just click, get this deal. This is from us, from Placeit and T-Shirt Help Desk. All right, we're presenting this to you. You feel me? All right. And let me just show you a little something. All right. Let me just show you a little something. Check this out. We got this guy right here all ready for Christmas. So let's go in, and I'm going to make his shirt red. Yeah, like that, baby. All right. And I'm going to, you can go and you can add your own text, but I already have some artwork. So I'm going to go click right here. My Happy Holidays player. Push this up. I'll make it a little bit smaller. Happy Holidays player. I mean, look at how awesome that is. I mean, come on, guys. And you can go up here and you can download it. So I'm just going to go over in Shopify, and I'm going to just upload and add it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how simple it is to add something to your Shopify store. Now, if you check out my Shopify store template here, you can see that all of this stuff right here, right? Everything that you see was made on Placeit, all right? Everything that you see here. So if we go right here and we refresh the page, look at that. And hey, look, it's sold out already. No, that's you can go in and get rid of that. So check that out. Look at what you can do with something like this. And guys, it's 40% off. So go down in the description box, click on that link, and make it happen. This is one of the really great things that you can do for your t-shirt business, man. All right. And once again, all this stuff was done on placeit.net. It is a fantastic service. And make sure you tell them T-Shirt Help Desk send you. All right, guys, placeit.net. I mean, it's a fantastic service. It's a service that if you're in this t-shirt game, you are at some point going to need something, if not multiple things, from placeit.net. And I personally use it with my t-shirt businesses, all right? So check it out. The link's gonna be down in the description box, and that's a big old 40% off for Cyber Monday. So check that out. And remember, tell them T-Shirt Help Desk sent you, all right? Guys, take money to make money, and scared money don't make money. Until next time, cheers to your t-shirts. I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the dough. Happy holidays again. God bless. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have someone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. I am out. Peace.